such a smile upon her pretty face. I asked if she needed a knife to cut the veggie skin. She shouted, "No, the tasting time is ready to begin." I heard the bed frame squeaking. She was jumping all around to fit that giant cucumber and swallow by the pound. She started making noises like the food was way too hot. I guess that giant veggie hit a very spicy spot. She came outside all sweaty with her hair in a mess. She looked relieved and happy in her crumpled little dress. I checked the room to find the peel, or maybe just the seeds, but that huge veggie vanished to satisfy her needs. I guess she swallowed it whole without a single chew. Her appetite is scary and it's super massive too.
ምን ይባላል ይሄ? ምን አይነት ጥማት ነው ያለባት እሷ? የት ዋጣችሁ ነው ወይስ? ኧረ ተው፣ እኔ ማያሳስበኝ ነገር አታሳስበኝ። በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ይመቻችሁ።